Hello friends, after a long search for a vacuum I decided to buy this guy. I was really researching a lot and was not sure because I had only one before and that's a long time ago. But I will unpack it today. It should have everything what you see in there, you know, that you're going back and washing the floor and all the super stuff. But today it's possible, you know, and then you have an app and you can go to your rooms and stuff like that. The thing is, I have no idea how good it works or not, but today I will only unpack it because the future of the robot vacuum will be very hard because I have 6 dogs and I will not fake you later on in the second video that it works very fine. You know, you see sometimes so the research, oh yeah, they have all a clean floor and then you put some coffee crumbs in there and stuff like that. Here have to do a job, really a job. And 4 dogs walking in the house, 2 are in the entryway. So, but that comes later when we have everything done. Here's a very nice quick start instruction. I love that. It's beautiful. And then there's a safety information. I like always when we have such a little books in there today, but it doesn't come very often anymore, and then you sit in front of the computer to find out how to work with some things. It's packed very nicely, no doubt about, and it is very heavy. Yeah, also it's not just a light vacuum, also yeah, it's have some weight. So that's the wash part or the station we will be returned. And that's all what is in the box so far. Yeah, all the details. Robot vacuum. Okay. So it's, like I said, it's very good packed. Have a scissors here. There's nothing spectacular in there. It comes apart and so the point. And it's not lightweight plastic like you have it many times that it slide around or super nice and clean, everything. And here it's the bag where you empty him by himself when you're done vacuum. And here are the both containers for the fresh water and for the dirty water, where you empty himself when he is done. I don't know if I should take that off right now, but you cannot leave that on. I did it once by I don't know, a printer or something like that, and after a while you couldn't get it off anymore. That was looking so awful, it came off on your own. So since then I'm a little bit worried about to leave it on. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I'm not a professional like many other ones whom I can see, but sometimes it's better. So there's the fresh water, and that's for the water when he is done and washing or mopping the floor. and then you have to empty it. It's a good size, even if I believe I was making already jokes about it, because when I was watching some things, he going back and forth, and he finds some things and then you wash again and wash again. I guess he will never have peace in my house. That's attached here. That must be where the part comes on, and here, duck in here. So, but let's see, that is a station where you goes on. I have, oh, yeah, here in the back, that's the power cord will be attached. So, I didn't buy one where you can put a water hose on there right away, so let's start. There's the good job maker. I hope so. The part that comes on the front here, so that you can have like a ramp to going up. And what we have, of course, the cute little guy. Well, it's very heavy, more heavy than I really thought. And there's probably a power cord. No, that is the soap. Yeah, you can install the soap, get installed inside. I seen it somewhere. Right here. It comes in there. And I will do that when I make my second video. But it comes with, and I'm probably, I don't know how long that will last. When I have to replace it or so, but yeah, no, that comes with it. And that's probably the power cord, I'm assuming. There, power cord. Very simple. Not 100 parts like some printers come these days. You have to install every little thing by yourself. So, and that's a good robot vacuum. I don't want to break anything, so I'm always worried about, I know that it's here attached somewhere, there, and then you just cut it off. Wait a second. So, he looks so good. So I decided after a long time to go with a roller. The other have the both pads, and they can slide out in the corner and stuff like that, but I really don't have such corners a lot. You can go pretty straight in the sides, so I don't know, maybe there was a mistake, maybe not, but so far I think I was making the right decision. What is very neat is the you say it. Yeah, when you come from Germany and speak in English. The hair will not tangle up in there. I had a big problem by my first robot vacuum, that the hair was tangling up and it was not needing 5 minutes or so, and then he was complaining, and I cleaned, and I did this and that and that. He's just sliding out, at least one, in the corners. So, so far I love how heavy he is and not falling all over the place. He lifted himself up though. So here probably is some things attached so that it doesn't fall out when it is in transport. Take that off, and yeah, there's the sensor. Here's a filter in there, somewhere the dust bag. Before he empties it, I put it in there, and then should go back where he's belong to and empty it. So, and here I have sensors everywhere with camera. And I'm very excited because before I remember there was 200 items, you remember? I don't have everything always cleaned up very nicely. So there lay cords and maybe a toy or a shoe standing around at accident. And if you really recognize it and goes around, we will figure that out. But that is what is in the box. And I think so far that looks perfect. I'm excited. So next video, I leave the comment down there. You can go and click on it and see how it is working. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.